Let's talk about the concept of how you open to receive. How a lot of manifestation is allowing what you want to actually come to you. And the reason this is such an important piece is because we naturally are closed up. We are closed up with fear. We are closed up from self-doubt, from unworthiness. We have this contraction going on. And that could also be mentally. A lot of the times the overthinking, the ruminating, the worrying, you're constantly thinking about what you don't want to have happen. That is a blockage. These are all ways that you are blocking and preventing things to come to you. And you'll see this because an opportunity will come to you, an idea might come to you, someone might say something to you, but because you're in this state of mind, of negativity, this mood of nothing is going my way, I don't deserve it, I don't know how it's going to happen, we tend to swat it away, push it away. We don't even hear it. We don't acknowledge it. And so the opening up is opening up your awareness. That reticular activating system is your subconscious mind, your body, looking for proof, scenarios, opportunities that match what you believe, what you're thinking. That is its whole purpose, is scanning for proof. If you think that the lights are always green, it's going to look for all the green lights. Or if you think all the lights are red, it's going to start scanning for red lights. That's why when you start driving a certain car, all of a sudden that car is everywhere. Because now it's a part of your awareness. You've opened a channel, you've opened an idea that now this is important to me. So your mind and your body is looking for, oh, this is important. This is what matters. Let's go look for this. Let's go find this. Let's go, look for that proof. But when you're fearful and you're feeling unworthy and undeserving, your mind's going to look for proof for that too. It's going to look for why nothing ever goes my way. This always happens to me. I never can find the love. I never have the money. It's looking to prove that right too. And you get stuck in this endless loop of not believing in yourself or feeling negative or doubt. Fear is a big one. And all of those emotions and feelings and thoughts, they are contracting. You're closing off the connection to your higher self, the connection to opportunities. You're closing off the awareness to seeing what's right in front of you. I used to do this technique. One of the struggles that I had for a long time was money, right? And when I heard this whole concept of allowing money in, receiving, it's all about opening up and, nervous system regulation and letting the money come in, I didn't really understand that. And so I started practicing guided meditations. That's why I have so many guided meditations, plenty of playlists if you need some. But the whole reason I have them is because that's what works for me, is the practice of, guided meditations, someone guiding my thoughts, my body through what that feels like to receive easily. And you'll realize the difference between you before and you after it, that you were contracted, that you had, tightness in your chest, your stomach felt uneasy, your jaw was clenched. When you're in that zone of closing up and tightness, things don't come in. They don't feel like they can come in. They feel blocked, or and even if they did come in your awareness, you don't see them. You don't feel connected to it. And so opening up now becomes the core principle to receive more. Opening up is an ease. It's this feeling of, I finally can allow this to come to me and I deserve it. And it can be easy. Or, allowing the thought to come in and you're not batting it away. Like, no, that'll never work. Well, what if it did work? What if things actually worked out for me? What if I actually got what it is I wanted? What does that feel like? And I used to sit on my floor with my guided meditations on, and I would literally open up my arms, just opening them up. Open up your arms right now and just tell me that doesn't feel better. I'm even like taking a deep breath because of it. You're physically opening space up, and I would visualize like money just flowing to me. Money coming, money coming, money coming. This endless flow and river of money are all around me. And I was just receiving it. I didn't have to work for it. I didn't have to do anything for it. I didn't have to hustle for it. I didn't have to change for it. All I had to actually do was open up to receive it. Because I was closed up. Fear had closed me up. Unworthiness had closed me up. And so I would practice this nervous system regulation, this opening up, this channel that allowed me to hear my intuition again. A lot of my, wealth has come from investing, and a lot of self-doubt and fear would block me, prevent me from taking action. I would be like, I should have bought that investment. Now it's like 5 times what it was. I would say that all the time. I would hear myself say it. And then I would think, well, why didn't I buy it? Fear, doubt, self-sabotage, things that block you. Even though I had the idea, I didn't take the action. And when you start to open up, the actions are easier to take. You actually hear the message clearer, and you feel more apt to do it. Your intuition pulls you and guides you. And that's what it's like when you open up your heart. Your heart is the main energetic pulling magnet, right? Not your mind. Your mind is part of it, but it's been proven your heart has a way bigger energetic field around it. And when you open your heart to receive, and there's nothing blocking you to receive, you will find that life does get easier. You will find the answers easier. You will find the love easier. You don't even have to find it. Actually, it just flows to you. And that is the whole point of opening up to receive, is you're really just removing the blockages. That's it. You remove the blockages from the river and it starts free flowing. And it's the same with you. You remove your blockages and the energy just starts free flowing. So I hope that this video was helpful. I feel like this information truly has helped me in so many ways. And I have guided meditations if you need them. Just look on my channel. I'll link a playlist too. And I just want to say that I'm so grateful for you. And I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day.